Hello, my name is Jacqueline LaFlamme from jacquelinelaflamme.com. In this clip, we're going to learn how to sketch an elephant ear plant. We're going to begin with drawing the horizon line, which would be the ground where the elephant plant will grow. You want to vary that line just a little bit so that it looks natural. Now we're going to start to add in our elephant leaves. So we're just going to start with the first big leaf here. Just put a little bit of design into it. And we're just going to keep adding leaves. Now, elephant plants are pretty full, bushy plants. And we're just going to add a couple more lines here. Then we're going to add some lines in on the leaves for the detail. I'm going to add a few more lines in here just for the detail so you get the idea of the leaves growing. And some more lines. Now we're just going to keep on adding leaves in. You can make the plant as bushy as you like. Just keep adding in more leaves. And then you want to add in some smaller ones to give it a little bit more perspective. And again, adding in the detail and adding in a little bit of the detail. And here we're going to add in another leaf, and we can always color it in just to give it a little bit more perspective and hide this stem. And again, coloring in these leaves. And you just keep on going and filling it in, because remember, it's just, you want to get a bushy effect with all your leaves. And once you have your main outlines, you can take a lighter color green marker and just start highlighting the leaves just like so that it gives it a little bit more dimension. And we'll just keep going and highlighting the leaves. And if you like, you can just add a little bit more detail to your ground line as well. And then maybe even just add a few little lighter leaves into it. Just like so. And if you keep going in this fashion, you will have a beautiful elephant ear plant. Thank you very much. This is Jacqueline LaFlamme.